In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover your PayPal account without using a phone number. Let's dive right in and I'll guide you through each step for a smooth and stress-free recovery process. First, you'll want to open up your web browser and head over to the PayPal website. This is your go-to site for all PayPal related activities, whether it's making payments, checking your account balance, or in this case, recovering access to your account. Once you're on the home page, look for the option that says, having trouble logging in. This is typically located somewhere on the login page. Click on that link, it's going to direct you to the recovery interface where you can indicate that you're facing login issues. The next step is to enter the email address that's associated with your PayPal account. Make sure you type in the correct email address as this is essential for regaining access to your account. If you're unsure which email it is, try checking your emails for any past PayPal notifications to confirm. Following that, you'll need to choose a recovery method. The key here is to opt for any method other than receiving a text message to your phone number, as we're bypassing the phone verification. Common alternatives would include requesting a verification email, responding to your predetermined security questions, or even selecting an option for PayPal to call you for verification. If your choice is to have an email sent, PayPal will dispatch a verification link to the primary email address linked to your account. It is crucial to check your inbox thoroughly, including the spam folder for this email. It can sometimes land in unexpected places. Once you locate the email, follow the embedded instructions carefully to reset your password. Typically, this involves clicking on the verification link which directs you to a page where you can set a new password. In instances where resetting your password doesn't go as planned, or if you encounter any hiccups along the way, don't worry. You have the option to reach out to PayPal's customer support for additional assistance. To do this, simply visit their website and navigate to the Contact Us section. Here you'll find various methods to connect with their support teams, such as via email, phone support, or even live chat if available. Those are the steps, and with a little patience, you should be back in your account in no time. Remember to keep your authentication details updated and secure to prevent any future hiccups. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide helpful in getting your PayPal account back on track.